Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna hop right into it. Of course, I'll be using these gems, F.Y.I adhesive in a 10 by 10 canvas that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I'm just gluing my gems onto my canvas until I'm happy with the way it looks. I have 5 rows and I did make a second piece, but for now, we're just going to set both of these to the side. These are the round mirrors from Dollar Tree, and I'm just removing the backing and the mirrors from the frame. I'm using the frame as a guide as to where I place the gems along the sides. I'm not adding gems along the entire sides. I will be stopping right about here. All my gems are glued down, but I'm just repositioning some of them. I'm using my Blossom White satin spray paint to cover both pieces. I'm using my gold metallic spray paint that I purchased from Home Depot as well, and just look at how the gold transforms this frame. If y'all are not new here, then y'all know that this bling wrap is one of my faves. I'm gluing this bling wrap around the border, and then I'm going to fold the remainder of the bling wrap over onto my frame. For these last steps, I'm just making sure the hook on the mirror is facing outwards, and now I'm adding my glue. Then I'll clean my mirrors, and then I will be right back to show y'all the final look. I love this modern style. It's super simple, but yet classy. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. For this next project, I'm using a $3 base and those same gems, and I'm going to glue them down from the bottom to the top. This is the completed look, and now I'm just going to add these flowers, and then the final look is up next. This is a clean and super simple look, and I'm loving how it turned out, but I want to see how it looks in a different color, so stay tuned for the transformation. Now I'm back outside, and I'm going to try some of this primer that I purchased from Home Depot as well. As I got to spray painting, I noticed that the spray paint wasn't going on as smoothly, but at this point it's too late, and I'm going to use that same Satin Blossom spray paint to go over it. Now I'm just kind of freehanding this gold spray paint. This is how it came out. It don't look the best, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm using that same bling wrap and I'm gonna put a strip along the bottom and also the top. I'm adding a few strips along the front to give it a little bit more detail. I'm loving the transformation, but let me know which base style you all like down in the comments. This can also be flipped over and then add a mirror and also a disco ball to give it a different look. It's definitely giving off Christmas vibes. I'm using 4 of the 6 by 8 inch canvases that I purchased from Dollar Tree, of course, but for now I'm just going to work with 1. I'm completing the same process by adding the E6000 glue and the hot glue, and I'm just gluing the gems around the entire perimeter. Now that these are all completed, I'm just flipping them over in my desired shape and then I'm going to glue them together. I purchased these clamps from Home Depot a while back, but I do believe they sell these at Dollar Tree as well. I added 4 craft sticks to make my project more sturdy, and just look at how beautiful this turned out. Super simple but yet luxurious DIY decor. And for those of you who likes a little glam, stay tuned for a transformation. Okay, so I'm going to use some of these disco towels that I purchased from Dollar Tree a while back, which may not be available at your local Dollar Tree, but you can simply purchase these off Amazon.com. Now I'm adding some of these mirror towels that I purchased from Amazon, but you can simply use the disco towels from Dollar Tree if they are available. This reminds me of a deck of cards and I'm loving it. If you found my content interesting, like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next video.